Guys, this is the cutest hat I've ever seen and I absolutely love it. I think I got it for like $8 to $10 or something like that, and it's just sequin and it's nothing that special. But hey guys, this is my cat Zoe. She is my newest cat. She's just a little baby. She's like 2 years old. She used to have bluish type of green eyes when she was just born, but now it's more of like a caramel type of look. Hey guys, so this is my refrigerator. It's got a few things in it. It has like some grapes and pineapple juice and stuff like that. But yeah, this is just what I go to get drinks or make coffee or whatever I want. So right here is my spoon, forks, and knives. I think it's so cute. I think I got it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. But yeah, it serves its purpose and keeps everything orderly, and that's exactly what I was looking for. These are some simple things I did in my kitchen. I have a small type of dryer and soap pods and everything else. But over here is something I put in my restroom. These are kind of my age-defying or serums and all that kind of stuff here. And I think it's really great because it saves a lot of room, and it just seems to do its purpose really well. So this bag right here actually came from the Dollar Tree, and I think it's like absolutely perfect. The color is perfect, and you can actually put a lot of kind of stuff in it. This is my tapestry I've had for several years now, and these are just Jolly Ranchers with a few bracelets, and that's pretty much it. So for the rest of the video, I'm going to let you guys just watch and just see how I do things. But yeah, it's not necessary for me to really talk anymore. It's pretty self-explanatory.